In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image in Canva. Whether you're working on a design project or simply want to modify an image to fit your creative vision, stretching an image can be a useful tool. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident manipulating images to your desired dimensions. Let's begin by opening Canva and navigating to the design where your image is located. Once you're in your project, look around to find the image you want to stretch. Click on the image to select it. You should see a border appearing around it with small circular handles or dots positioned at the corners and edges. This is Canva's way of signaling that the image is ready for manipulation. Now that your image is selected, you're ready to stretch it. To do this, move your mouse cursor to one of the corners or sides of the image until it changes into a double-headed arrow. This will allow you to drag and resize the image. Holding down your left mouse button, drag the handle outward or inward. Remember, pulling a corner handle will adjust both the height and width simultaneously, maintaining the image's aspect ratio, while dragging a side handle will stretch or compress only the width or height. A handy tip here is to use corner handles if you don't want to distort the image proportions, as they help keep the aspect ratio locked by default. If you want to truly stretch the image independently of the original ratio, this can be done by focusing on the handles along the sides. This means that stretching from the top or bottom handles will affect height and from the left or right will affect width. If for some reason you need even more control, you can hold down the shift key while dragging a handle to override the aspect ratio lock and stretch freely. While adjusting, you'll notice guidelines or snapping features in Canva that help align your image with other elements in your design. These can be really helpful in ensuring your image looks polished and professionally placed within your layout. After achieving the desired size and stretch, click outside the image area to deselect it. Take a moment to preview your design to ensure everything looks aligned and proportional. If adjustments are needed, don't worry. Simply click on the image again and make your tweaks. This process can significantly enhance the visual dynamics of your design, giving you more flexibility to create exactly what you envision. By following these simple steps, you can effectively stretch images in Canva and make the most out of this powerful design tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now better equipped to handle your design projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.